and Pop.
Wow, what is this, baby?
Oh, it's a cellphone ni Daddy.
Cellphone ni Daddy. Can you unlock it?
Yeah.
Yes, buksan natin yung cellphone ni Daddy. Tingnan natin kung may tinatago siya. And you will use this stamp, okay? Gagayahin mo yun, 9, 1, 2, 5. Asan yung 9 dito? Where's the 9?
9.
Use mo na to. Kunin mo na to. Wait a minute. Open na natin.
Wow.
Where's the number 9? Stamp mo nga. Yes. Stamp mo na yung 9. Very good. Where's the number 1? Next. Yes. Next.
Next.
What number is next?
2.
Very
There's
good. Next is?
Next is 5.
Very good. Na-unlock na natin. Ang galing-galing ni baby. Next cellphone ni Daddy. Anong number ng password?
2.
0.
0.
0 yun. Anong number next? 0. Stop po na. Asan yung buksan na natin yung cellphone na blue. Asan yung 0?
0.
Yes.
Stop.
Yes. Next?
Next is 2.
Very good.
This one?
Next is?
Next is 6.
Very good.
Where's 6? There he is.
Where's next?
Ouch.
Tumaan ka. Next?
Wait.
Next?
Next is 0.
Anong 0? What number is that? Ay, nakalimutan na.
8.
Very good. Next cellphone.
I lock it.
Yes, you unlock it.
Yes.
Next cellphone, the green one.
Green one. 4, 6, and what's that? What's next?
What is that number?
What is that now?
Paano natin ma-unlock yan? You do not know that number.
F.
Anong F? That's not F. What number is that?
What is that?
7.
7.
The next one. Anong number yan?
8.
No. Hindi na naman nyo.
What is that?
What number is that? 9. Ay, naku po. Stamp mo na.
4.
Unlock mo na.
4.
Very
Sickle.
good.
Sickle.
Next?
Next is 6. There's 6. Circle.
Next is?
Next is. Where's next?
Hindi na naman niya alam. 6. 1. Count ko tayo. 1, 2,
3,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What is this number?
I don't know. What is
Count
that?
again. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.
Ay, naku, Bibi Nana.
7.
Sige mag-start ulit tayo. Stop mo na yung 7. Where's number 7? Very good. Next?
Next is...
Count tayo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9.
Very good. Ay,
Stop together.
Yes, unlock na yung pangatlong cellphone ni Daddy.
I want it.
Yes. Next, the red one, cellphone. What number yung password?
Nana.
Anong number yung password?
1, 3, 5, 0,
what is that number?
8.
Ba't mo sinasabing 0? 8 agad Stamp mo na. Ito ang 0. Yung sinasabi mong 0 pag number. Connect mo na, stamp mo na. What ba? What number is that? Good! No, hindi mo na ma-unlock yung cellphone ni Daddy. You wanna try again? Oh, so, careful muna. Oh, what number? Go.
3, 5, and some 8.
Go. Stamp muna. Why you stamp 0?
Plus
Try again. Come.
3
And?
and 5. Next is 8.
Very good! Yay! Done! Finish na. Na-unlock na namin lahat ng cellphone ni Daddy. Bye-bye!
Bye.